Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2013 Bonneville T100 Retro Sport. This is the classic Bonneville twin 865s. Got the pea shooters blacked out. I love the fork boots on this thing. Only 4,090 miles. Those tank pads are really cool too. Come on by, make your Bonneville retro dreams come true. This gorgeous T100. She's in beautiful condition. Only $69.99. We have financing. We have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.